That earlier on, we were talking about what we would do if we saw a dog that was left in a car. We've had over 1,500 comments, haven't we?
Antonio, I smashed a window last week to save a dog. An idiot thought it would be OK to leave the smallest gap and no water in the car. I would do it again. Julie, I don't care if it's illegal or not. If I see a dog, child or giraffe in a car... Not quite sure where Julie lives, but there we go. On a day like yesterday, then a brick is going through that window. Sue me for the cost of it, but my God, you'd thank me for saving your pet or child. Jessica, smashing a car window is criminal damage, dog inside or not. According to the RSPCA website, not even they have the authority to smash a window. So it's always best to call the police first.